Magandang hapon po ng Friday, December 20, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, December 20, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng December 20, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, December 20, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for December 20, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, December 20, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.